Hello guys, today we are going to see the MCQs of molecular orbital theory, and we will see the 10 MCQ of this series and the remaining MCQ we will see later. Let's start. The first MCQ is, according to molecular orbital theory, the molecule is formed by, and we know according to molecular orbital theory, uh, when the linear combination of atomic orbital takes place, that time the molecular orbitals are forms, and there are two types of molecular orbitals are forms. First is um, bonding molecular orbital, and second is anti-bonding molecular orbital. And we also know when the bonding molecular orbitals are forms, the overlapping lobes of atomic orbitals have the same signs. That time the bonding molecular orbitals are forms, and the overlapping lobes of atomic orbitals have a different side. That times anti-bonding molecular orbitals are forms. That's why here the correct answer is B. And you know the first answer is a sharing of electrons between atoms. This is according to the valence band theory. And the C option is also incorrect, and the D is also incorrect. The B is the correct answer here. We are going to see the second question. According to the molecular orbital, the number of molecules orbital formed is, we know that according to molecular orbital theory, the number of molecular orbitals are formed is equal to the number of atomic orbital combines. When the atomic orbitals are combined, that time the molecular orbitals are formed. That time the A option is here is correct. The third MCQ is, according to molecular orbital theory, the bonding molecular orbital is formed when just 1 minute ago I told you, when the overlapping lobes of combining atomic orbitals have the same size, that time the molecular orbital is formed. Here that option is C. The overlapping lobes of combining atomic orbitals have the similar signs. The correct answer is C. The fourth is the wave function of describing the formation of anti-bonding molecular orbitals, and here we can see this is the psi. This is the symbol of psi, and we know for the anti-bonding molecular orbitals the subtraction takes place. That's why here the psi AB is equal to psi A minus psi B. This is the correct option D. The next is fifth MCQ. According to molecular orbital theory, the molecular orbitals are, and we know according to molecular orbital theory, molecular orbitals are polycentric, because the means of the polycentric is the molecular orbitals are influenced by the number of nuclei. It depends on the presence of the atoms. That's why this correct answer here is polycentric. The next is the bond order of molecule is given by, and we know the formula of bond order: number of bonding molecular orbitals minus number of anti-bonding molecular number of anti-bonding molecules, and divided by 2. Here the correct answer is B. And the seventh MCQ is, the molecule or ion is stable if, we know when the number of electrons in bonding molecular orbitals are greater than the number of anti-bonding molecular orbitals, that time the ion or molecule is stable. Here we can see the number of anti-bonding molecular are less than number of bonding molecular orbitals. Here the option C is correct. The remaining MCQ we will see. Please like my channel, and please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.